strong, sing the song of Cornwall. This land where over golden sands the salt sea breezes blow. This land of bliss and woes, all streams and granite flows. This land of endless summer hours, where God's love flowers grow. Gulls and buzzards wheel and cry above the cliffs of Cornwall. On the moors the herons slowly fly beside the winding streams. This land of saints and ghosts, of mists and rugged coasts, where Arthur made his final stand, this land of ancient dreams. Deep in every Cornish heart still lives the song of Cornwall. Tintagel down to Marathon, Lanson to Lantern. From farm fishing boat, let every Cornish throat sing this anthem proud and long. This song will never end. So sing, sing it loud and strong. Now sing the song of Cornwall. This land where over golden sands the salt sea breezes blow. This land of cliffs and moors, all streams and granite flows. This land of endless summer hours, where God
shining bright, far away from the footlights' glare, into the sweet and scented air of that quaint old Cornish town.
Born from afar on the gentle breeze, joining the murmur of summer seas, distant tones of an old world dance, played by the village band chant on the calm air came floating down. I thought I could hear the curious tone of the cornet, clarinet, and main trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass drum, bassoon, flute, and euphonium. Far away as in a trance I heard the sound of the floral notes. And soon I heard such a bustling and prancing, and then I saw the whole village was dancing. In and out of the house they came, all from young, from old the same, in the great old Cornish town. Every boy took a girl round the waist and hurried her off in tremendous haste. Whether they knew one another I care not, whether they cared at all I know not. But they kissed as they danced along. And there was a band with a curious tone of the cornet, clarinet, and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass drum, bassoon, flute, and euphonium. Each one making the most rough jumps, all together in the floral dance.
I felt so lonely standing there that I could only stand and stare, for I had no maid with me. Lonely I should have to be in that quaint old Cornish town.
When suddenly hastening down the lane, a figure I knew I saw quite plain. With outstretched hands I rushed along, and carried her into that merry throng, and fiddle and all went dancing down. We danced to the town with a curious tone of the cornet, clarinet, and big trombone, fiddle, cello, big bass drum, bassoon, flute, and euphonium. Each one making the most rough shots, all together in a full-blown dance. Dancing here, prancing there, jigging, jogging everywhere, up and down and round the town. Hurrah for the Cornish floral dance!
And shall Trelawney live, or shall Trelawney die? Here's 20,000 Cornish men will know the reason why.
Trelawney, Trelawney, Trelawney. Trelawney.
will you betide, for summer is a come unto day, and bright is your bride that lies by your side in the merry morning of May. Oh, where is St. George? Oh, where is he? Oh, he's out in his longboat. All the souls see home. With the merry ring, adieu the merry spring, for summer is a come unto day. How happy is the little bird that merrily does sing in the merry morning of May. My sweetheart, come, my sweetheart, come. Don't you hear the fond song, the sweet notes of the nightingale flow? Don't you hear the fond tale of the sweet nightingale as she sings in the valley below? As she sings in the valley below. Rilty Betty, Dilty Betty, safe home to your cot as we go. You shall hear the fond tale of the sweet nightingale. She sings in the valley below. As she sings in the valley as she sings in the valley below. I'll sing to you a song. It's about a lady fair I met the other evening at the corner of the square. She'd a dark and a roving eye. She was a charming rover. We rode all night in the pale moonlight way down to Lamona.
'Twas down in Albert Square, I never shall forget. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, and the evening it was wet, wet, wet. Her hair ran down in curls. Now she was a charming rover. They rode all night, way down to the morning.
But she got in the cab. I asked her for her name, and when she gave it me, well, to mine it
What's the same?
So I
So
lifted up her veil. Her face was covered over. To my surprise, it was my wife I took down to Lamona.
down in
Albert Square,
I never shall
forget
Her eyes they shone like diamonds,
and the evening it was wet, wet, wet.
her hair hung down
Her
in
hair was down in
was a
her.
charming rover.
We rode all night in the pale.
Way down to the morning. Down in Albert Square, I never shall forget. Her eyes they shone like diamonds.
White stockings she wore. White stockings she wore. White stockings she wore.
The same as before.
Going up, coming down.
Going up Cameron Hill, coming good soul and the trusty and the merry heart and true. King James's men shall understand what Cornish lads can do.
And that they fixed the land and shall be his 20,000 Cornishmen will know the reason why.
And shall Trelawney live, or shall Trelawney die? His 20,000 Cornishmen will know the reason why.
And when we come to London Wall of sight to view, come forth, ye cowards, all his men as good as you. Trelawney, he's in keep, and old Trelawney he may die, but his 20,000 Cornish both will know the reason why.
His 20,000 Cornishmen will know the reason why. And shall Trelawney live, or shall Trelawney die? His 20,000 Cornishmen will know the to temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever. Ching-a-ring-a-ring, ching-ching, ho-a-ding-a-ding-cum-larky. Ching-a-ring-a-ring, ching-ching, ho-a-ding-cum-larky. Brothers gather round, let's listen to this story about the promised land and the promised glory. You don't need to fear if you have no money. You don't need none there to buy you milk and honey. There you ride in style, coach with 4 white horses. There's the evening meal, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 courses. Ching-a-ring, ching-ching, ho-a-ding-a-ding-cum-larky. Ching-a-ring, ching, ho-a-ding-cum-larky. Nights we all will dance, and dance along the fiddle, and horse and fiddles, and cast off down the middle. When the morning comes, all in grand and splendor, stand out in the sun, and hear the holy thunder.
Brothers, hear me out, the promised land's a-coming.
Dance and sing and shout, I hear the harps a strumming. Ring, ching, 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 chong. I've never seen the light since I've been born. Johnny, come down to Hilo, oh, old man. I've never seen the light since I've been born. With a big black fellow with his sea boots on says, Johnny, come down to Hilo, old man. Oh, wake her, oh, shake her, oh, wake that gal with the blue dress on when Johnny comes down to Hilo. Old man, I love a little girl across the sea. She's a radiant beauty, and she says to me, oh, Johnny, come down to Hilo. Old man, oh, wake her, oh, shake her, oh, wake that gal with the blue dress on when Johnny comes down to Hilo. Old man, did you ever see the old plantation boss on the long-tailed filly and the big black boss when Johnny comes down to Hilo? Old man, oh, wake her, oh, shake her, oh, wake that gal with the blue dress on when Johnny comes down to Hilo. Old man, oh, wake her, oh, shake her, oh, wake her and shake her and wake her and shake her when Johnny comes down, when Johnny comes down to Hilo, 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 old man. Here I start on my journey, seeking what lies o'er the hill. Music that flows from Wistarni brings peace, and I am still. This is my way, I'm a gypsy. Last night I camped on the common, campfire aglow bright and clean. Now there is dust on the hearthstone, no shows where I have been. This is my way, I'm a gypsy. Finish someday, but not yet a while. I seek for what lies before me. Onward, my laughter lies. And when I'm old and can journey, Mama's little baby